Hello dear student, today we are solving TMUA 2020 question paper. In the previous one I have solved 1 and 2, so we are starting from 3. So find the complete set of values of x for which these two will be followed. So what we can do over here, there's a very easy shortcut I will be teaching you. Okay, so let's see. If the first one is just equate with 0, forget about the less than and greater than thing. So then, what are the values? So the first one will give you x plus 4 is equal to 0 separately, so x equal to minus 4. And if x plus 3 equal to 0, so that gives you x equal to minus 3. If 1 minus x equal to 0, so that gives you x equal to 1. So there are three possibilities, 1, minus 3 and minus 4. Okay. So now, where it exactly lies, if that is our concern. So let's see this. So what is the lowest number? That's minus 4. So if we take x less than minus 4, there is a possibility. Then it lies between minus 4 to minus 3. This is the second point. Then for minus 3 to 1, that is this point, or it is more than 1. So if I do it, then all the possible values of x are being taken into consideration. So now take any value that x less than minus 4. You take minus 10. Okay. So put minus 10 over here. You don't have to put, you can just check it, but I'm just doing it for the first time. Minus 10 plus 4. So this is negative. Minus 10 plus 3, again negative. But 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10. So that makes it 11. So this is positive. 2 negative, 1 positive. So this is a valid answer. So this is a valid zone. From minus 4 to minus 3, this will obviously not come into this, but I will show you this comes in actually in alternation, first, then second knot, then third, and then fourth knot. But still, I will show you. So minus 4 to minus 3, this is a little bit tricky. So we can take a value which is minus 3.5 maybe. Okay. So if it is minus 3.5 and plus 4, that is plus 0.5. So the first value is positive. Minus 3.5 plus 3. So this value is negative. 1 minus of 3.5. So this is again a positive. So 2 positive and a negative. Ultimately, it should be coming a negative, but it is positive. It's not valid. So this thing we can't take. Minus 3 to minus 1. We are going to take maybe 0. So 0 plus 4 is positive. 0 plus 3 is positive. 1 minus 0 is again positive. So 3 positive makes it a positive. And more than 1, you can take it 100. So 100 plus 4, 100. So 2 positive. 1 negative makes it a negative. So this is invalid. So my shortcut trick is just find these values and calculate any one and go for alternative. We'll do it for the second one. So x plus 2 equal to 0, so that is providing x equal to minus 2. And if it is x minus 2 equal to 0, so that is providing x equal to 2. And if you proceed in this way, then what will happen? So we will see that x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are the two values. So which one is lower? X minus 2. So x less than, first we take x less than minus 2. Then minus 2 less x less 2, and last one is x greater than 2. Here, in order to make it things easier, let's take it with respect to 2, so we can go for a reverse calculation. More than 2, take it 100. So 100 plus 2 positive, 100 minus 2 positive. But it's ultimately negative, so this is invalid. So this should also be invalid, and this will be the only valid zone. So if you take a 0, 0 plus 2 is positive, 0 minus 2 is negative, so positive, negative, negative. So this thing is valid now. So now we have to do complete set of values for which these two will be there. So we need to find a common zone over here. So we don't have a direct answer, we have a zone. So let's see that. Here the valid zone is x less than minus 4, which has nothing to do with this. So this is anyway our invalid. So the only valids are these two. So the first one says minus 3 less x less 1. And the second one says minus 2 less x less 2. Now if we take the common position, if we take a number line, so this is the minus 3, this is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So obviously the first one lies between minus 3 to plus 1. So this is the thing. So within this, okay, they are lying in this minus 3 to plus 1. The second one, minus 2 to plus 2. Where is the common zone? So this is, so from minus 2 to plus 1, that's the common zone. So minus 2 to plus 1 will be the answer as well. So minus 2 less x less 1. So here option number B is the correct answer. Okay.